Hi everyone, this is Meet Charles Show. I'm your host, and in this video I share with you something important. You might be an alien or a foreigner in Germany, and you keep asking yourself, where can I get an envelope to buy? Where can I send my package or packet? In this video, I share with you where you can buy your envelope, have access to a bank, and where you can send your package to. Yes, right there in Germany. Don't worry, I know the language can get you frustrated and you have no one to go to. That is somebody's land with different language, and you went in there as a native English speaker and you keep pondering. You are bothered as to where you can get an envelope to buy, to write letters or mail your dear ones, or where you can even mail packages or packets to your dear ones. In this video, I share with you where you can have access to all these. In a minute, Postbank is the answer. When you go to Postbank, you can buy an envelope, you can mail a package or a packet, and have access to ATM machines where you can transact. You can withdraw your own money at Postbank. Postbank is the place to go to get your envelope, mail your packet or packages, and transact. 3 in 1 at Postbank. So if you are new to this channel, what you can do is to subscribe, share this video, and like, and leave a comment in the comment section. And if you have any relative in Germany who is struggling to know where he could send you a letter or mail you something, just let him or her know. If you're right there in Germany and you want to know where to buy an envelope or mail a package, just watch this video and do the right thing. Just go to Postbank and do what you want to do. Thank you for watching. Just watch the video. This is Postbank. Right here you can post your letter, you can buy an envelope, and you can cash out some money from Postbank. You might be a customer of Commerce Bank or Deutsche Bank or any other bank, it doesn't really matter. Just go in there and you can cash out your money. That is Postbank. Right here is Postbank. And right here you can cash out money and you can post your letters when you are in Germany. You can buy envelopes when you enter Postbank.